Welcome back to the review of Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier, a proven path to all the money you will ever need. Get ready for Chapter 4, How to Make More Money, where Sabatier unravels the secrets to accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Stick around because, by the end, you'll discover the keys to boosting your income and transforming your financial landscape. Ever wondered how increasing income could be the game changer on your path to financial freedom? Sabatier spills the beans, sharing his personal journey from $2.26 to $1.25 million in just 5 years. Intrigued? Stay tuned for the details. But here's the catch. It's not just about making more money. It's about mastering the art of negotiation. Sabatier provides practical tips on securing higher salaries, raises, and promotions. Get ready to learn the secrets of knowing your worth, doing your research, and exuding confidence. And that's not all. Sabatier delves into the potential of side hustles, which are the key to creating additional income streams. Discover the benefits of diversifying your revenue sources, from minimizing risks to expanding your skill set and pursuing your passions. Want to know how to make your money work for you? Keep listening, but be sure to smash that like button and turn on notifications for when we upload more videos. Trust me, you won't regret it. To continue, Sabatier tackles the obstacles of scaling your income, from burnout to taxes and lifestyle inflation. Stay tuned for his advice on overcoming these hurdles and maintaining a healthy balance on your journey to financial success. As we wrap up, Sabatier leaves you with actionable insights, which are: start small, think big, take small steps like asking for a raise or launching a side hustle. Gradually build up your income and aim for ambitious goals, perhaps doubling or tripling your earnings. Leverage your skills and network. Identify your strengths, market yourself effectively, and reach out to potential clients, partners, or employers. Your existing skills and network are powerful tools for increasing your income. Invest in yourself. Sabatier stresses the importance of investing in yourself, financially and personally. Spend money on education, training, and personal development. Take care of your health, well-being, and happiness. Are you ready to take the leap and implement these strategies? Sabatier's approach combines practical advice with real-life experiences, offering you a roadmap to financial success. Don't miss out. Click the link on your screen for Chapter 3, and let's embark on this journey to boost your income and achieve financial freedom together. Your prosperous future awaits. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a positive review on this video to reach more people and to catch us on the next chapter of the book. Stay blessed